Hi there, my name's Sadia and welcome to Recipes for Littlies. Today I'm really excited to have a special guest join me on my channel. So meet Steph. She has an amazing blog and I will link that in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. So Steph, what are we going to be making today?
Today we're going to be making a Vietnamese honeycomb cake. So this is one of the most iconic cakes in Vietnamese cuisine. The reason why it's called honeycomb cake is because it has a honeycomb-like structure to the cake. This cake's made using pandan extract, so it's got this beautiful green colour.
These are the ingredients that you'll need and as always listed in the description box below. Grab yourself a round cake tin and pop a little bit of canola oil and only grease the bottom. There's no need to grease the sides as we'll actually want the sides to stick as we'll be cooling the cake upside down. Pop the tin into an oven to preheat.
Now get a microwave safe bowl, add 1 cup of coconut cream, then add some pandan extract, some salt and some caster sugar.
Pop this bowl into the microwave for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, remove the bowl from the microwave.
Next, add some oil. Then give the mixture a stir until all the ingredients are combined.
Crack 5 eggs into a large bowl and use kitchen scissors to cut the yolks. We're doing this to reduce the amount of air in the final mixture.
Add half of your tapioca starch and rice flour to your main mixing bowl. Then give this mixture a good stir for about a minute. So after about a minute, add the remaining rice flour and tapioca starch mixture into the bowl. It's just sifting it through, and then again using your whisk to combine it for about another minute. As you're whisking, keep the whisk touching the bottom of the bowl. It just helps to prevent getting too much air into the mixture. Add the pandan and coconut cream mixture.
And give it a mix. If you're loving this vibrant green colour as much as I am, hit the like button. Add the bicarb soda and cream of tartar.
And then just giving the mixture a whisk to incorporate it.
Don't worry about the lumps because we'll be passing this through a fine sieve to make the mixture nice and smooth, just like this. Take the tin out of the oven and pour the batter into the hot cake tin, making sure to scrape the bowl so none of this beautiful mixture goes to waste.
We've added a bit of aluminium foil around our cake tin today just because we're using a springform tin and want to add a bit of extra protection so it doesn't leak. If you're using a normal cake tin though, don't worry about the alfoil.
Lift the tin about 1 inch above the kitchen bench and drop it a few times. This will help release any air pockets in the cake batter. Pop your cake tin into the oven to bake and it won't take long for your house to smell amazing.
While the cake's baking, set up your cooling station. So what we've got here are a couple of mugs on our kitchen bench and we're just going to place a cooling rack on top of the mugs.
Pop your cake upside down on the cooling station.
So the cake's been cooling now on a cooling rack for about 45 minutes. This cake is best served warm, though you can also have it just at room temperature. There you have it.
Wow, Steph, thanks so much for showing us how to make this cake. I absolutely love the honeycomb shape that's inside there. I'm just going to give this a taste. This is so delicious. It's got a really chewy texture and I love the vibrant green colour. My daughter will absolutely love this. I also like that it's not too sweet. Now it's time for my top tips. Number 1, use a thick pandan extract for better flavour. Number 2, avoid adding too much air to the cake batter. An easy way to do this is by keeping the whisk touching the bowl as you're mixing. And number 3, cool the cake upside down. This will stop the cake from collapsing. Thanks so much for watching and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun cooking with Steph, so let me know if you would like to see more recipes for Steph and remember to check out her blog. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd love for you to do so because it really helps my channel. Until next time, keep cooking.